Okay, so I have this rational inequality and I need to solve it. Now it's already factored for me, which is great. So I don't have to factor anything. So I can simply state the zeros, which are from the top of the equation, and the vertical asymptotes, which are from the denominator of the equation. So my zeros are just +3 and +2. My vertical asymptote is just 1/2. The next thing I want to do is I want to put these on a number line. So 1/2, 2, and then +3. Then I want to test out all four ranges here in this inequality. I'm going to start with testing a value less than 1/2. So I'll start with testing f of 0. If I sub in 0 in this equation, here minus 3 times 2 minus 0 divided by 2 times 0 minus 1. I get +6. +6 is greater than or equal to 0, which means this is a good range over here. Next, I'll pick a value between these two. I'll pick +1. If I sub in 1 into this equation, I get -2. -2 is not greater than or equal to 0, so this range is no good. Pick a value between these two. I'll pick 2.5. And I get 1/16. 1/16 is greater than 0, so this is a good range here. And last, I'll test a value above here, which is +4. And that's -2/7, which is not greater than or equal to 0. So that's not a good range. So now I have two valid solutions here. The important thing to know in this when you're writing your final solution is that we have a greater than equal sign here. So we'll use a greater than equal sign in our equation, but we cannot use a greater than equal sign for our vertical asymptotes. Just remember that it only applies to the 0. So when I'm writing my solution, I'm going to write x is less than 1/2. And I don't put an equal over here because 1/2 is a vertical asymptote. My next range is between 2 and 3. These are both zeros. So I'm going to write 2 less than equal x less than equal to 3, and this would be my final solution. So again, remember, if you ever have a vertical asymptote, you cannot include the equal sign. The equal sign only applies for the zeros.